Janmashtami, a grand festival celebrated all over India to commemorate the birth of Lord Krishna, who is none other than the supreme god Vishnu incarnated in the form of human in Dwapar Yug to restore Dharma. Shri Krishna is a major deity in Hinduism. In the Holy Gita, he describes God. I am the conscience in the heart of all creatures. I am their beginning, their being, their end. I am the mind of the senses. I am the radiant sun main lights. I am the song in sacred lore. I am the king of deities. I am the priest of great seas. And to the most Hindus, he is the God himself, the supreme being. Shri Krishna is the God of love, compassion, tenderness in our society. Son of Devaki and Vasudev is worshipped for decades. Krishna was the central character of Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Puran and Bhagavad Gita. He was born into the Yadav clan, the son of Vasudev and Devaki, who was the sister of Kans, the wicked king of Mathura. He was raised by the leader of the cowherds, Nanda and Yashoda at Gokul. He is portrayed in various perspectives: a godchild, a prankster, a divine hero, a model lover, and as the universal supreme being. In youth, the cowherd Krishna became renowned as lover. He performed many miracles and slew demons. He slayed the wicked Kans and established his court at Dwarka in Gujarat. Krishna, the hero of the Mahabharata. After the great war of Mahabharata, Krishna returned to Dwarka. He is believed to have lived for 125 years. Shri Krishna has been ruling the hearts of millions for over a number of ages. In today's world of unhappiness, sorrow, and quarrels, Shri Krishna's teachings helps us to clear all the sorrow and doubts in the hearts of people and help us in getting best results. Janmashtami festival teaches us that we should believe in God and should always fight against wrong. May this Janmashtami shower on us blossoms of love and peace. May the divine grace of Lord Krishna be with us today and always. Jai Shri Krishna.